Hi guys, and welcome on my new video. Today I want to show you hotel room in Skyline Hotel, Detroit Airport.
Yeah, but, you know, the reception not to 6 o'clock. Doing this now.
Okay, ice vending machine. Where is it? Oh, there is a ballroom. Okay, looks like the pool is here. It says pool is closed, but maybe we can just see the pool. Fitness center is here. Pool closed. Okay, fitness center is here. Somebody here. Quite big fitness center. Do they have any weights? Oh, they have scale. Wow, they have weights. Pretty nice. AC. Nice and cold here. We've got water, towels. Okay, the pool is closed, but I can show you the pool from outside. So that's the indoor pool. And there is an outdoor pool with some kind of connection under. Okay. That's my room number 106. Yeah, it's very nice. This hotel is very nice, close to the airport. Smells very nice, clean, quite new. Everything is perfect. AC, big bed. There is also like 2 waters available per night. Little closet with iron and a bathroom. It's actually very nice, clean, smells very good. Shower. Hair dryer, towels, perfect. And there is one more thing, of course, the fridge. Yeah, yes, fridge. And I'm wondering if there is a Bible. There is a Bible, okay. And a safe. Alright, so everything is here. There is an alarm clock with 2 USB ports. There is USB port by the lamp. Look at this. Checkout time is 12. I think it's 11 actually, but you need to double check. Let's go and see men's restroom. Yeah, it's very nice. Smells good, clean. It's really, really nice. This hotel is very good, guys. Look at this. Hand dryer, paper. Everything is here. There is an ATM even. Microwave. Alright guys, if you like this content, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you on my next video. Thanks for watching, bye!